Welcome to HTML5 course. It's a part 1 of this series. In this lecture, we are going to learn about the basic concepts of HTML and the tools we are going to use it in this course. So first of all, you will have to clear your concepts that what actually HTML5 do. As you can see the giving illustration, we use HTML for building the layout structure or web structure. On the other side, you can see the CSS example, which will be our upcoming course. So by mixing up the HTML and CSS, you can easily create the presentational web or app layout. Some basic things you will have to be remember, as most people know that HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. It used for building layout or web structure. It written in form of tags like opening tag and closing tag. Once the tag open, then it will have to be closed. Like you can see the example of opening and closing tag of HTML. For better consideration, you can use your name also, as here I use my name Faraz. Same like our human body structure, HTML has the same basic structure which you will have to be remember. Like HTML tags, head tags and body tags. Tools, browser and IDE. The tools browser and IDE we are going to use in this course are Google Chrome and Visual Studio. I have given the download links below in description if you want to download Visual Studio Code. Now we are going to perform some basic practical stuff. So click on Visual Studio Code and open it. Now click on File, click on New File. Now write here the basic HTML structure. Now save this file by clicking on File. Now click on Save. Now write the file name with .html extension. Like here I am writing the name index.html. Now click on Save. Now let's test some basic HTML tags like headings. Now save this file by pressing the shortcut key Ctrl+S. Now open that folder in which you saved the file and open that file. As you can see here, the H1 heading that we have written there, welcome to Digicons. Now heading has some sort of range, like you can write the headings from H1 to H6. Now save the file and refresh your browser. As you can see here, the heading sequence, which is starting from H1, H2, H3, H4, H5 and H6. So there's a predefined heading sequence in HTML that is starting from H1 and will end on H6. Now let's see the paragraph tag. For paragraph tag, you will have to write the P tag, as P indicates paragraph. Save the file and refresh the browser. As you can see here, the paragraph tab. With the paragraph we have written now. Now let's see another tag, the button tag. For button, you simply write the button tag, and inside this tag you will write the name in which the button name will be present, like click me. Save the file. Now refresh the browser. As you can see here, the click me button is clearly showing. So that's the basic HTML structures and some basic tags like h1 heading sequence, which will be starting from h1 to h6, paragraph tag and button tag. So that's the part of the part 1 HTML5 course.